Alright, I may have edited. No, I think I'm just going to post separate videos. I'm going to reload this. Let's get that. So it's loading. And then this time should update. So. Alright, so that's the time we're working with. So, in conjunction, so I do time date stamps so you know. And then what I'll try to do from now on is on Central Time on the bottom, 7:45. That's why I got this, so I could set the time and then the date, and just set it wherever I need to on the project. I need something to be able to lift it up. I guess I could just take I don't know how to do it. So it'd be month, date, but they're shapes. So if they're all circles, they'll work. I guess I could take the fuck out of it. Alright, so anyways, we're going to work with, I'm going to go ahead and show you the information. Alright. Let's see if we can get that. There you go. I'm just going to scroll up, and you can pause it if you need to. But that's basically what I'm going to try to get out. Alright, and then there's an additional line 4, like a diamond in the sky. You remove the 2 center rows, and then you incorporate yes sir. Instead of 3 bags, the newer version is yes I do, and that's the key for this. And I think I would just want to nail that one right away. So sorry. So on BAABAA Black Sheep, the new version, or a version, is yes I do with that 3 bags full. So to make it easier for kids, like the alphabet song. So, that's what the alphabet is. Alright, let's go ahead and just work through this. Hold on, sorry. That way you have visual verification, I can talk through it. So, alright, so 5 of 7. It's G. If you're doing ASCII for the first 2 characters, that's G star. And then 85 is U. And then 7 is G. And then it's I love you. So that's the key. So then you go down to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for the original song. And then you see that G is star. Now 42 is ASCII for asterisk, or it's a star. It's a character that you can input any data into your code. So that's just what it is. So, but I'll go ahead and just nail that one. These dates, 11/22 is important. That's was addressed in the prior, well, maybe 2 videos ago. It was a 10-minute, I think. And it's an upside down recording. I was not feeling good, and I still don't feel good. And then this is the key, is 12/28. The one before that, 12/26, 12/25. Those are so potent with information. But anyways, we're going to focus on this today. And hopefully I have some organization. I want to put this aside. I can deal with that. And I may not do the chart. We'll figure it out. Play it by ear. Alright, so since I'm not feeling good, get the vitamin C. So, alright, let me just make sure on that. Okay, should be good. Where to start? Let's readdress the upside down video. I'm not getting it. So let's. These are all supposed to be caps. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. One, those songs, BAABAA BLACK SHEEP, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This one, What a Wonderful World. I think it's called with I see trees of green, red roses too. All the same melody. So that's the connecting property there. Now, for this, if you match up Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, it goes how, I, and then this is, I'm going to just go up like that. 1, D, E, R, and that's, this is K, 1, K, and so that breaks that. This statement is what you are, which carries it to the P. Alright, which this is when life hands you lemons. Alright, which that's what that is. Which what color, what, oh, you are. Alright, so there's multiple bridge points here, but let's stick with that. That's lemon is yellow, and that's color of P. Now, I'm going to jump. Alright, so it goes, that's supposed to be a capital. I'm just going to write this out. And that's L underscore. Now this correlates to these two at 1.5. So that's a full one, and this is actually, you got a bridge over, which I will show you in a second. A. To get this A on top of the K. So 1.5, we've got K, L. So it would be A, B. Because we already have two A's. Alright, we've got right above that, so this is 3. We've got E, F, which these two are tiny, they're matching, so that's 2. And we got 1 at B, C, D. Just for reference. So, keep that in mind. So now we've got T, 1, I, N. Of which, this moved out. I'm not going to do that, but this is so it goes BAABAA Black Sheep. Cool. taking that next one, it would be a verification that the A dropped down because it goes black. And then there's not enough letters there, so it's S. You could do that, which would tell you to be quiet about it. Or you would then incorporate that back here, canceling that out. And then I'll show you why. P. Alright, so that is step one. Which correlates. Alright, so let's get this right. I'm going to do star, star, star. So this is asterisk. And then you've got C was carried away. It's technically tiny c, but we're going to just do all caps. Then it goes B, L, line, K, K, L, and then T, the H from the S, so right there, U, R, H, I, N, dash, dash, E, and then sheep was moved up, whoops, E, E, P. So if we reverse engineer this word, literally P. So if we assume those are like items, then I don't know. There's another subset into here, so I'm going to scooch that over. I forgot how I organized this. It's been a while. So, okay, we were supposed to put that up top, so it's... How does the S? So that's backwards. So we'll just right there, yes, and then K goes right there, creating right there. Got space. So that's like a diamond. I think I took it. Wait, am I getting confused? All right, so let's just break. So that first one. And we'll just skip to the end. I-N-T-H-E-S-K. I'm just going to get this idea out. This is yes. space view. So, I forget what that was. I know, okay, there's an interplay, but I think I was supposed to push this over, so this is avoiding that. This is this, which means that moves up, which means that scoots over. And I don't know what that is. I forget what that is. Oh, KY. Alright, so that's the joke. Alright, so that's... Alright, so this KY. So I don't know what KY is. So I'm going to place that on hold. So that's the underlying structure, the jelly. So O would be there. So like Donkey Kong, DK. Alright. I forgot what that is. I think this has an interplay between the other song, but we'll just put it. Beyond that, we'll go back to our structural set. One, two, three, 4. Well, sorry. Shit. So this right here. Now we know if we start here at 0, 1, there's 2 items. So that's 2. That's 3. 4. And that literally hits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 7 minus 3 equals 4. In the one structure of breaking down A, and technically you can do this with any one, but I'm just trying to keep it at the beginning of the alphabet so you can understand the breakdown. So that's that. You got C, D, E, F, G. Alright, so you got couch to coffee. Couch, straight, straight. 1, 2, 3, coffee. Alright, should be 3 steps. This is a bridge of communication. Top down. 1, 2, 3, middle out. Alright, copy. And then, since that's the center, that also shares there, center, and then that's middle out. Back up to the top, couch, coffee, done. Of which then you've got, there's different ways you can work this. You've got 2, 4, 7, 9. So altogether there's 9. Is that right? 5 and 4. That's 9. Okay. Now from this, you then see the structure, because right here we're going to assume that box is up here. It goes of W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. And then after this, if you carry this idea out, there would be 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. At this bottom one, after Z is hit, there is 2 rows left undone to add 4 squares, 8 in total. X marks the spot. But you will see the breakdown right here. So O starts this one. O, this one ends with N. This one starts with B. Because this ends with U. So you got noun right there. Alright, so that's language right there. You got B, which talks about vowels, which starts with A, G, and then there has to be an E in here, but it doesn't make sense. So this is your connective bridge to understanding. Understanding visual communications between the eyes, ears, and here we'll do it like this. Mouth. Alright, so that is our black cat. Wearing a dunce cap. Right there. Alright. I forgot, I think it was 3 times. I got 104 somehow. It's in 3 videos, maybe 4 videos ago. I'm going to just flip it. Now this is the shiny side, so it smears. The pattern is very simple. It's just 1, 1. Which in binary, all numbers start with 1. If it's a 0 predicate to it, you multiply it times 2. So this, as a unit, at this point, is 2. Alright, if there was a 1 behind this, you would times 2, you would follow this procedure and then add 1 on top of it. So if 1 was here, it would be 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So just for shits and giggles. Alright, for understanding. Now, the next number was 4. So at that point, you've got to figure out what was the key. What is the pattern? Knowing binary, you have a bridge. But at the same point, if I didn't know that, how would I explain this concept? So then you've got 4. So all I did was I knew 4. There was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, very simple. And then after that, I had to understand what was going on. So, but I knew I was working with the rule set of the alphabet structure. So I knew 4 was right there. So what I did was D, E, F, G, and this is where I'd always have issues. So we're okay now. And then, so we know that this number has to be this number. So that correlated a bridge concept of 9. And then we follow the same pattern here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you count it out. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we go 10. Just doing the simple logic would be 19. So 10 plus 10 plus 9 equals that. All right. And then they're trying to bridge in a concept with programming. Where 0 equals 1. Well, then 1 equals 2. But understanding the difference between this, we'll do a tiny a with binary. I spelled that wrong. Base 2, where there's only two numbers of 0 and 1. 2 decimal base 10. All right, 0 through 9. All right, now carrying this out, you would do 19. But since we're using this structure, let's go ahead. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So this is a key interest. You've got to identify shape. So are they the same? Are they not? Let's move on. O. So H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, which that's also lemon. P, Q, R. Alright, so that's telling you the thumb and the forefinger right there. So that's for that, for the S. Alright, and same with the other hand, which the next letter is S. And we know that right there. But because of the nail. The next one is T. It looks like a nail. And that has either fingernail, which I don't know how to do that. So we know that is a thumb pad. Or nail or thumb tab. You can do different things, but that's 1, 2, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you've got some adding here. Then you got to deal with subtraction, understanding that concept. So you got 19 minus 19 plus 1 more, which would be 20, 39. Subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1. All right, that's structural set. I think that's O. All right. I should have done it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So alright, so that carries 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 of